Hey guys, welcome back to Pal Automotive, and today we'll be talking about our BDX cleaner, which is our brake dust cleaner here at Pal Automotive. This is by 3D, and it works very, very well for those wheels and those rims that have a lot of brake dust on them, stains, different things like that. This product is going to work very, very well for that issue. And the good thing about this product is that it's going to actually help you clean up those wheels, and it is acid free. So this product does work on both the wheel and the rim as well. And we do recommend that when you are using this product, you just want to spray that directly onto the surface of the wheel, and you're going to let it sit there for a few seconds, and it will turn purple because it will oxidize. As it's oxidizing, it will actually turn purple. So just let it sit there, let it agitate for a little bit, and then you want to go in with a good pressure washer. That's going to be also a great way to clean this off. And we also do highly recommend that you guys are going to use a microfiber towel of some sorts or a brush to just help break up any of that brake dust or anything that's sitting there on the wheel. But this product is available at Pal Automotive. It is here in store, and you guys can also find it on our website at palautomotive.com. And this is going to be a great, great product to check out. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.